Welcome to this tutorial video. Want to quickly master Loft tool in material and component? I will show you a quick method to get it right on your first try. Let's get started. In the Design tool, select Advanced tool and click to enter Material and Component. Click the Rectangle tool in the top toolbar. First, draw a model surface as a path, and then draw a lofting section. Upon completion of the drawing, the loft operation can be executed in two ways. Method 1. Select face, then click the Loft tool in the top toolbar and click the section to perform lofting. Method 2. Hold down Shift key to select continuous path. Next, click the Loft tool and click the section to perform lofting. That's all. Thanks for watching.